Hi everyone, I'm Jasmine and welcome back to my channel. Today I have created my most favorite look for you guys. It's the no makeup look, everyday makeup look that I just created in 5 minutes. I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's jazz it up. I've already done my skincare and applied my sunscreen, but I'm going to go ahead and apply a serum so that my skin is really moisturized, and whatever makeup I do, it sits in really well. Make sure you've applied your eye serum and your sunscreen. After that, I take a concealer that is of my shade. I do not use a foundation in this video, so I'm just going to take a concealer and put it over any spots that I have and any dark circles, and I'm going to blend it with my fingers. Because I have done my skincare so well, you can see that it's melting into my skin like butter, and I've used a shade that is very close to my skin tone so that it just becomes even and all of it looks one tone. Like you can see, all the blemishes have disappeared and it looks so natural. Now I'm going to take an other concealer. What I like to do is I like to put it over my spots and my jaw area so that it just adds a little bit more color, and after this you will not need any kind of foundation. And I like to blend everything with my finger because the warmth of the finger really helps to sort of put the concealer on any area that I want. And like you guys can see, it looks so natural, so stunning. I left my forehead, I just wanted to look like skin. I then go ahead and brush my eyebrows. Whenever you want to do a natural makeup look, remember eyebrows are very important. Now my eyebrows are black, but I'm going to use a dark brown eyebrow pencil because you don't want to use the exact same color of your eyebrow, otherwise it'll look very artificial. So if you can see, this looks very natural. I don't try and create an artificial shape, just I go with the shape of my brows and it looks extremely natural. Now the main, like the magic part of this is the blush. I do not use a pink blush, instead I use a red one because when you sweat or you jog, like your cheeks become red, like it's like that blood and the flush of it. So this is how you make your makeup look extremely natural. Can you see when I blend it, like it looks like the color of my skin. It doesn't look like an artificial color. Imagine you're sweating, you've come back from a run. This is exactly how your face is going to look. It's going to look really glowy, really dewy, really red and very pink. After that, I'm going to take in a pink blush that is of my something that's very natural, and just gonna apply it on the apple of my cheeks. And just see, when you blend it, now it's gonna mix in with red, and this is going to give it such a natural flush of color, and this is looking so natural. Now I'm going to take in my powder by Charlotte Tilbury and just make sure that my under eyes are covered with powder so that it doesn't crease, and just my nose and my upper lips, any area that you can sweat. And rest, I just want my face to look really glowy and dewy, like it's hit by the sun. Now I'm going to use the same red blush on my lips as well, and just look, it's given it such a natural and a stunning look, and this looks absolutely incredible. So this is my look, like you guys can see, absolutely raw, unfiltered. I created it in 5 minutes and I absolutely love this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments. Love you guys.